cut the grass outside my house, so any snake info na Mano and Abrahamic ram ekedu for my Obadora. I have never posted any justice for Congo post. I don't think it's useful. I think the only way out from the Congo is to govern Mmuo. Yeah, if you look at the religious distribution of Congo, I just looked at it and there are 50% Roman Catholic, about 20%, between 5% Protestant. Then 9% Kimbanguist and 9% Muslim or something. So you want to fight people that own you spiritually. The neo-colonialist doesn't give a shit, does not give a damn about your hashtags. Call the only people who give a damn Mmuo to come to you guys, to fight with you guys and lead you all out.
But how can they possibly achieve consensus when they've been divided and conquered?
My own Monna included me in a committee to oversee the restitution of our ancestral Obi. But the difference is the division between Ndioka and we Ndiogom Moas won't let any work start there. The church said their money cannot be put into appeasing and installing more. I sat in a corner and watching them go to and fro was an excellent case study, a display of the success of divide and conquer at its finest. I could picture colonial masters sitting in the audience delighted, sipping on liquid African gold while we fought. After long hours of them twisting themselves up, I spoke last. I was disgusted and I told them so. If the DRC can all come together and coalesce their strongest deities and use it to sway in their elected officials, neo-colonialism will die a natural death. But in the church won't let that happen. So nothing come out.
Be self-hero. Make everybody go their Obi. Go pattern their Mmuo. Obu Jesus Bunkegi.
So guys, a lot of people have been reporting that they've not been remembering their dreams recently. And I think there are several things that I would say. One is, obviously you should use Holy Ezumezu to chikota Mmuo before you sleep. But also you should get sunlight. We are plants. Plants need sunlight for their photosynthesis. Then cover yourself when you're about to sleep, because the cold apparently dulls you too, so you don't dream. Then watch what you eat. So yeah, good luck with your dreams. Use Holy Ezumezu for that. Use it for your shower meditation and use it as Igor for tutorial. Yeah guys.